Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys know me, my name is Diksha and I have created this channel to help you guys out in your studies. Please do support me and forgive me for my mistakes as I am new to this field. So without any further delay, let's get started. In today's video, I will be talking about a poem named The Peacock by Sujata Bhatt. So let's begin. Sujata Bhatt was born in Ahmedabad in the year 1956. She is a bilingual writer. Bilingual means the one who knows two languages at a particular time, and she used to translate her Gujarati poems into English for the Penguin Anthology of Contemporary Indian Women Poets. The themes of her poems used to be love and the violence. She also explored issues relating to racism and the intermingling of Asian, European and Northern American culture. The poem Peacock was included in her first collection titled Brunism in the year 1988. In this poem, Sujata highlights the bird, which was peacock, and its miraculous beauty. The setting which was seen was the Indian, and the poet she was sitting on the veranda and waits for the miraculous bird to make its appearance. The poet she describes about the surroundings. She says that there was a loud call but it seems to come from nowhere. Then suddenly a flash of something is seen in the peepal tree, which later came to be known as peacock. The bird was described by the poet beautifully. The appearance was just miraculous for the poet. The poet says that the changing was seen in the surrounding due to the peacock's appearance. Sujata was told to sit in the veranda and read one of her favorite books with great concentration. She was asked to live inside the book, and at that particular time a blue shadow will fall, the wind will change direction, and hum of bees nearby the bushes will stop. And it says that even the cat will be seen to be awakened and stretch, and at this particular moment the peacock will make its appearance, and if you look at time you will see it, and if you won't you will miss to see the peacock. At the time of appearance of the peacock, it's seen that all the surroundings was changing. The peacock's presence made the surrounding more beautiful. And I would like to say that in this poem, Sujata Bhatt beautifully shows the effect of the miraculous bird, which was peacock, upon the environment and upon the poet itself. And from the starting to the end, the poet has beautifully described the appearance of peacock and the surrounding and the effect which has done to her. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make good videos for